We can provide you with the print heads and platen rollers for you to install on your own. Or I could take that equipment with me today and have it up and running like new.
Look, Ron, can I call you Ron? I know a guy with 2 thumbs, the right tools, and all the know-how to get the job done right. And that's this guy. Ronnie, baby, you just get me those parts and I'll get this equipment purring like new.
All right, but if you need any help with anything at all, you just let us know.
Okay, Ronald, I'll do that. Today's forecast, 100% chance of rain. Yeah.
Mitch, got another cracked screen for you.
Just set her down right there, shooter. Whoa, 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 whoa. That's not gonna work, champ.
Oh, yeah.
Just set it on the floor.
You're serious?
This one's experienced some RUD.
Oh yeah, RUD. Really ugly device. Got it.
Rapid unplanned disassembly.
Tornado. Just set it on the desk. DUDE.
Thanks, Mitch.
Chalupa, no sour cream! Advanced automation. Equipment repair. Initiate repair now. That was easy. Hey, thanks, Ron.
You're welcome, Mitch. And it's Dave.
Hey guys, guess who got it done again? Scotty, this guy. What's going on, boss?
Hey, boys.
Hey, boss.
Hey, did you get those barcode scanners fixed up?
I sure did.
Mitch, always getting it done right.
How many ton of cheese balls?
Oh, hey guys, it's Dave. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Oh, and remember, don't be a Mitch.
Advanced automation. We can get your barcoding equipment purring like new.